So here's the finished product. Here's what it looks like when we pour it in. Isn't it pretty? Beautiful. So smooth. So silky. It's very pretty. It's kind of fancy. You could serve the soup and call it fancy, but the truth is we know that it's super healthy, full of clean ingredients. You could add dairy if you wanted it. You could serve it with a dollop of sour cream in it. It's amazing. You could add a carrot if you wanted to. You could substitute leeks for the shallots. You don't have to put shallots. You could add garlic. You could add lemon, whatever you like. I added curry powder to mine, and I added some cayenne pepper and fresh ginger along with the pink salt. You can totally season it to your liking. And I hope you made it with love. I hope you had fun, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.